Today I will share with you a new strategy. With the help of this strategy, you can earn a good amount of profit and enrich your forex career. Every forex trader wants to learn new strategies, and that's why many people are constantly requesting ForexPD to share more strategies in new way. Although ForexPD has shared many strategies with you so far, your valuable comments and likes on those videos inspire us to do something good. So ForexPD always hope that you will always be by side of ForexPD and will always inspire ForexPD by liking and commenting. So the strategy that I will share with you today is called triple top pattern. Triple top is one of the most popular strategies in forex, and by following this strategy you can earn a good amount from forex. Many forex traders are earning a good amount by following this strategy, so you can master it well and then apply it to real trading to earn a good income. So everyone is requested to watch the video patiently from beginning to end, and those who want to learn such a strategy and earn a good amount of money from forex, please follow this playlist of ForexPD. Here are the important and best strategies of forex. So those who want to learn the best strategy of forex must follow this playlist, and I will request the well-wisher of ForexPD, please subscribe ForexPD's another new channel. Here you will find all types of video related to forex, and those who don't subscribe our ForexPD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's go. I will say at the beginning that each of our strategy is very effective and widely used. So if you can master it, I can say surely that you can earn good amount of money from forex. For this you must watch the video well and keep them in mind. Then you have to practice well in the demo. There is no substitute for practice. No matter what you do, if you want to do well, you must practice. So I urge you to practice any strategy well after you learn it, as long as you get good feedback. When you see that you are making a good profit by following that strategy, then you can come to real trading. So I told you at the beginning that the name of today's strategy is triple top pattern. It has some similar with the double top pattern. The pattern you see on the screen is called triple top pattern, and if we exclude this place, it will be double top pattern. So let me say a little at the beginning. When the double top pattern will not work in the market, you can wait for the triple top pattern. The double top pattern goes down from this place of the market, but in the triple top pattern the market goes up from this place and then goes down again. So the main pattern of this is that the market first go up, then goes down, then go up again and goes down, then go up and then goes down a lot. This pattern is called triple top pattern because it has three tops. This is the first top, this is the second top, and this is the last top. So when you see three top in the market, you can apply this pattern. In the market you can see there has three resistance level, and below you will see two support level. Draw a horizontal line in these two support level. This is called the neckline. So that way you take the entry from here is that when the market makes the third top and break this neckline, you will order a sell. I say again, when the market makes the third top and goes down and lastly break out the neckline, you will order a sell. SL and TP you can put like double top pattern. That means you can take TP as far as the distance from the neckline to the top. After setting up TP, you can set up your SL by looking at the back point, and make sure that the profit ratio is 1:3. Don't follow the low profit ratio. By doing this, you will not be profitable and you will not be able to recover your loss. The name of the pattern we have been discussing for so long is triple top pattern. You will see it in the uptrend market, but you can also take entry from downtrend market by following it. So if you reverse the triple top pattern, you will see that it will be a triple bottom pattern. This pattern can be seen below the market, and this pattern is that the market will go down first, then go up, then go down again and go up, then go down again and go straight up. This pattern is called triple bottom pattern because it has three. In the triple top pattern there has three heads are at the top, and in this pattern the three heads, this is the first, then this is the second, and this is the third, and you can see the two resistance level that were created when these three bottom were made, and you draw a horizontal line at this two resistance level called neckline. So when the market makes third bottom and raise up to top and break the neckline, you will make a buy order. I say again, when the market makes third bottom and raise to the top and break out neckline, you will make a buy order, and SLTP will set just like before. That means you can take TP as far as the distance from the neckline to the bottom. In other words, if the distance is 80 pips, then you will take 80 pips TP. Or if the distance is 100 pips, you can set up your TP 100 pips. And SL will be set up by looking at the back point. We have shown in the previous video how to find out back point. Suppose you have made a buy entry in this place, then you will find that there is a back point very close to it. So you can easily set up SL by looking such a back point. So this is today's video, and definitely follow 1:3 profit ratio. If you don't follow 1:3 profit ratio or more, then you can't recover your loss. So you have to follow a specific profit ratio more than 1:3. So this is our today's video. Hope you understand how to follow this pattern. You can use it very easily and make a good profit from here. So be sure to practice well in the demo first. So viewers, I hope you can understand our today's video. So before finishing the video, let's take a look this strategy shortly. So the main pattern of this is that the market first go up, then goes down, then go up again and goes down, then go up and then goes down a lot. This pattern is called triple top pattern because it has 3 tops. This is the first top, this is the second top, and this is the last top. So when you see 3 top in the market, you can apply this pattern. In the market, you can see there has 3 resistance level, and below you will see 2 support level. Draw a horizontal line in these 2 support level. This is called the neckline. So that way you take the entry from here is that when the market makes the 3rd top and break this neckline, you will order a sell. I say again, when the market makes the 3rd top and goes down and lastly break out the neckline, you will order a sell. SL and TP you can put like double top pattern. That means you can take TP as far as the distance from the neckline to the top. After setting up TP, you can set up your SL by looking at the back point and make sure that the profit ratio is 1:3. Don't follow the low profit ratio. By doing this, you will not be profitable and you will not be able to recover your loss. So viewers, this is our video. Hopefully you can understand. For gaining profit, you have to choose a good broker house because they have much spread and fee in market maker broker house. You will finish yourself by paying their fee and spread. So create your account in good broker. We suggest some broker. First one is IC Market, the true ECN. Second one is Tickmill, they have 0 spread. Third one is Light Forex, a right broker in Forex market. In 3 account, verification system are same. So you can upload your document in 3 account. Which broker approve your account first, you should deposit on that account. Good broker's policy is also good. So you need to verify first. Verify your account by your document. For your account safety, you have to create your account with strong reference. If you create your account by ForexBD's link, you will get benefit. ForexBD can help you if you face any problem. If you create your Skrill and Nettler account by ForexBD's link, you can verify your account without any deposit. There will be less transfer fee. So create your any types of account by ForexBD's link. Those who want Forex related English video, they can go to playlist. There have a playlist where all video in English. You will get all link in video description. So before finishing the video, I would like to say if you like this video, please give us a like and share it with your friend because it motivates us to make more awesome videos for you. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, Tata.